Good morning, guys. It's cloudy today. Parang uulan. Mag-ulan siguro mamayang afternoon. So it's cold, quite cold. How are you today, guys? Hope everyone is great and happy. No problem. I pray that everyone is contented, happy, and have an abundant life for us to survive. Thank you.